This thing fills up in less than 100th of a second.
Okay.
Wow.
It's fast.
Fast.
Yeah, it's fast. So even when I do it in slow motion, it's insane. 60 pounds of pressure.
Wow.
So you can see the
Yeah, you ain't going
protection a little bit
nowhere.
better.
You almost pop your helmet off if you don't have it buckled on.
You might have.
Oh man.
Yeah, but look at the
You can see
protection.
hip and pelvic protection.
Turn around for us.
Holy cow.
Can you turn around, show the spine
Oh.
protection all the way down? And it kind of creates a barrier for your helmet. What I hear from people who crash in this is my helmet never touched the ground. So even when you're sliding, yeah, your helmet's protected. You know. It's pretty amazing to see in person. I mean, it's eye-opening once it's done to you. It's hard to describe until someone tries it.
That is nice.
And there's one other company, but they're over 100th of a second. And we found that if you're over that time, it's too late. I mean, you need it fully inflated before that time.
Before you hit the hood of the car.
Yeah, so he has the fastest mechanical trigger out of anybody.
Wow. That was amazing.